Okay, y'all, come on in the kitchen with me. For 5 days, we're gonna be doing nothing but air frying cooking. And that's because it's a healthier way. It's the start of a brand new year. And I know people are looking for things that are good, but will put less on their hips when it goes through your lips. So, this next recipe that I'm going to share with you is for salmon. And I have to tell you that my brother-in-law Hank used to cook salmon in my great big old oven for the 3 of us, and he made fabulous salmon. And then after his death and he left, I started cooking the salmon in my air fryer. And to me, it was better in the air fryer than it was in that great big oven. So I swear by seafood in an air fryer. So this recipe, again, is in my air fryer cookbook that I think is out of stock right now. So I want to share with you, and if you got a pen or a pencil, will it come up?
Oh yeah, we give them all the recipes with everything.
Okay.
Show me the page real quick and I'll
Oh,
zoom in.
Oh, okay.
People.
Great, Eddie. You're so smart. He's so smart. And he is kind. All right. I have already marinated this because it needs to marinate a minimum of an hour, but really overnight is best. So, in order for us to get this done today, it had to be done last night. So, in the marinade, it's 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce, 1 tablespoon of pineapple juice, 1 teaspoon of fresh minced ginger. Oh, and I do love ginger. I love ginger so much. And I think it's supposed to be good for you, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. And I put a little more in there than 1 teaspoon.
Love it. And ginger has a bite to it too. Ginger can bite you. And then 1 smashed clove of garlic. So that's it. That's what's in this bag. And these just came from our grocery store, from out of the seafood department. And there's no skin on these. And I love the skin. If it gets real crispy, I like eating the skin, as long as it doesn't have any scales on it, you know? So, I'm gonna take these out. Oh gosh, this just looks delicious. And I'm gonna spray it. And I'm gonna cook it for 5 minutes, y'all, in the air fryer. In fact, I've already got it set. What a delicious, quick, healthy meal this is. I want to keep that garlic on top. I don't want that garlic to go away. So, there we go. So I've got it set for 400. I'm going to have to do it again because I shut it and opened it.
No, it did it. It's got it.
Is it still there? Okay, all I have to do is hit start then. Great. So while our fish is cooking, I'm going to make the pineapple salsa. And we're just going to cook this on the stove for a minute. And it's going to be 1 medium ripe tomato, 1/4 cup of red diced bell pepper, 1/2 cup of pineapple tidbits. I'm using the tidbits on this. Get out of there, that last tidbit. And a teaspoon of salt. Sweet and salty, I love it. And a tablespoon of sugar. So I'm just gonna reach right in here in my canister. Get my tablespoon of sugar. And the last thing I'm putting in is 2 pickled jalapeno slices, de-seeded and finely chopped. Because we don't want to blow anybody's head off, do we, Teresa?
Well, I almost tried to with the salsa in the last recipe.
Yes,
so.
you did. All right, so I'm going to turn this on. And I'm going to cook it for about 5 minutes over low heat. And then we're going to let it cool and just refrigerate it until we're ready to serve. But they're actually both going to be ready about the same time. And this is going to be beautiful on top of those fishes. Now, if you really, 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 really want to cut back on the fat or calories, you can totally do without the salsa and just serve it with some fresh lemon, and it will be delicious. But this sure does make it delicious and real pretty. Eat first with our eyes. Okay, so we're ready. That was our 5 minutes, and it's not gonna have time to cool down because our salmon just rung my bell. So, I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up. I'm gonna have to have a spatula for that. I thought I could do it without it, but I can't. Wonderful meal. Now, if I had been smart, I would have made us a little asparagus to go along with this beautiful piece of fish, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna serve it with the salsa. And just remember that I'm trying to watch my weight and my calories, so I will leave off the asparagus today. Does that make sense? That makes sense to you, doesn't it, Eddie? Okay. I'm gonna get out 3 forks, in case Broomhilda wants to try it. She's over there on that phone calling somebody or doing something, texting. 5 minutes, Eddie, was perfect for the salmon.
That's good.
That was good. That is very, very good.
I actually kind of like the salsa being warm rather than cool.
Yeah. I would not in my cookbook, but like I say, I never follow even my own recipes. You could certainly make that early and put it in the fridge, but then I would heat it back up. I would not want cold salsa on a hot piece of fish. I feel so skinny.
It's almost bathing season again.
Darn it, Eddie, it will be swimsuit season, but guess what? For the last 10 swimsuit seasons, I hadn't bought a swimsuit. That too is in my rearview mirror. So y'all try this. It really is very, very good. Loving Best Dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and Best Dishes, y'all.